another new week, and you're most welcome to MX BREAKZ right here on MX24 TV. Right here on this show, we get to update you on the latest in entertainment, in trends, and many more. My name is, of course, Daphne Flashley. Let's get straight into our stories for today, as there's a lot to uncover. But we're starting on a rather sad note. We just heard about the death of Ebo Taylor over the weekend. Now, Ebo Taylor is one of Ghana's finest OGs, legendary when it comes to music, and also he was also a guitarist, he was a songwriter, he was so much more in the entertainment industry, in the music industry, and actually he's been everywhere. He's been on big stages, and we're celebrating his life. Yes, this is a celebration of life, and so let's get into the story. Legendary Ghanaian musician Ebo Taylor has passed away at the age of 90, leaving the nation and the global music community in deep mourning. Now, the iconic highlife and Afrobeat pioneer, known for blending traditional Ghanaian rhythms with jazz and funk, died on Saturday, February 7, just weeks after his 90th birthday and shortly after a music festival was held in his honor.